So you're pulling this nasty filter out of your truck or putting the new one in. What do you need? You need a filter plug. Yeah, nothing new. Everybody's got one. You should have one. Then you don't have to worry about your oil spilling out, but you do have to worry about it falling over and rolling away from you. Here's what I recommend as a solution. Simple. It's a drain and waste clean out. I think it's a 4-inch. It's a cheaper one. It's not heavy enough, but it works. Just set that in there. Now, it ain't gonna go much anywhere. I mean, it'll take a lot for it to not get knocked over. And when you're ready to wiggle under the truck, just pick it up off the ground, slide that over, follow it around, and drop it. And it just sits. So take it with you as you go. Put it with you where you need it. And Bob's your uncle. Tips and tricks.